The image wand in Apple Notes is an AI tool for creating diagrams and images for your notes. On the iPhone, chances of you having drawn a diagram are slim. So we'll just work on an empty space where we just circle it to prompt the AI tool. You'll then get prompted to describe an image. The more details you add, the better the image you are likely to get out of the AI. We already have a few suggestions. Let's scroll to find one we like. Under the three dots icon, we can save this image to our photos library. But to add it to your notes, tap Done. You might need to scroll a bit. This image is like any photo you add to Apple Notes. It has been added to the handwriting section of the notebook. That is why we can resize and even rotate it. The three dots icon gives you all the options you normally get with images in Apple Notes. Image Wand also works on terrible images and perhaps on the iPhone where drawing nice diagrams is difficult. Can you guys tell that's a car? Let's see if the AI image generator can pick it up. We'll just describe the color. And yeah, the app got that it's a vehicle of sorts, but not quite. This is the best I am getting out of the tool. It's not exactly what I want, but I'm also not making a lot of progress. When there's an error or something you don't like, you can remove a description. Occasionally, you'll get an error message for which undo removes the prompt that hasn't been recognized and takes you back to the image. This AI image generator is not very useful. It is also not as creative as we would like. We've got the same car 4 times in 6 or 7 suggestions. In the event that you do like what you get, you can share the image out of the app. Or copy it for pasting anywhere you want. With all your generations, you can still go back to fix or modify them. If you've played around with Image Wand, we would love to know if you've created anything useful.